Let's review how to access your design information. This is what we gathered from you when we first started the post-customization process. Our designers completed a color palette for you, put your logos inside the system, and after your free trial, they would have added your custom backgrounds as well. Let's see how we can find those. So if I select a color background, right here, this is a big shape. If I select a shape, then I'm shown the fill colors. Inside the fill colors, you'll notice a drop-down where you have access to the default colors, which are a rainbow assortment of colors. Primary colors, this would include your primary color palette, and accent, and this is your accent color palette. These are different depending on what your brand colors are. If you just have one brand color, which is not uncommon, you may only see one color palette in here. This allows me to easily change the colors to match the other items that are on the Brandabl site. I can also access my logos through images. Select images, go to logo, and you will see 3 logos in here: a white logo, your logo in full color, and a black logo. This lets you easily add your logo onto any number of posts across the site. I can size that logo and get it into just the position that I want. If I want to use one of the background images that were created for me, let's say I want to put it behind here instead of using this purple, then I can go up here and under Fill, I'm going to switch over to Photo. Inside of Photo, I'm going to grab my brand photo. And let's go ahead and use this one. I have the option now to scale this image or change the size of it. Let's push it down so I get more of that beautiful pink and apply it. And that's how you access and use your brand elements in the designer.